Hey everybody, Chase from Electric Eye here. One of my favorite apps of this year, and I'm not over-exaggerating at all, is an amazing video recording app, I guess is what I could call it. It's called Loom. And what Loom does is in real time will record your screen and then instantly upload it to their server with a link to share with anybody. Why this is fantastic is it's perfect for a multitude of tasks. The reasons that Electric Eye uses it a lot is we make Loom videos to show bugs, to share those bugs with our developers, to try to problem solve for websites that we're working on. We also use Loom to record ourselves doing tasks so we can delegate them out to our assistants and our VAs and our developers and designers and whatnot. It's just fantastic and it's instant, and the best part is it's free. Just to recap, the reasons why you should use Loom is you can share bugs almost instantly with your developer and designer, so they can go and recreate it, figure out what's wrong, and solve that problem for you. You can use it in delegation, so you can show people on your team how to do your task that you're trying to assign them the right way. And lastly, you can use it to make awesome YouTube videos.